Watch it.
Yeah, all that water is almost like a shower, and bandits like to be dirty.
Sorry.
You know, we could make the whole city dirty.
Oh, yeah. But how do we do that?
I'm sure there's a magic pet for that. With the power of this slimy magic pet called Slimy, we will cover the whole city with slime.
Yeah! Slime!
We need to stop them, Morphle. Morph into...
Not in my city, kids. What do you think you're doing?
We need to catch the bandits.
What you need to do is clean up all this mess you made.
But...
No buts, Missy. I'll be back in a bit to see if you've cleaned all this slime.
Let's clean this up as quick as we can. Morphle has an idea. That's great, Morphle. Now, let's go after the bandits. Oh, no. Look at all that slime.
Uh-oh. Look! Bandits!
They're about to slime Officer Freeze's car. Morphle, spray their slime away with your water.
What? You two again. You can start cleaning the fire station right away.
Okay, Officer Freeze. Wow! Look, Morphle. Every place the slime has been is much cleaner than before. It's like some kind of magical soap. Let's go clean up the rest of the slime.
Didn't we just slime this place?
Yeah.
We cleaned it all up. And now we're going to clean you, too.
Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no. We're really clean, Yorn.
I know, Stein. I love it.
Hello! Today, Morphle and I will show you different colors. There are several basic colors. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and pink. Morphle, morph into a paintbrush. Now let's paint animals that have these colors. Red is the color of a crab and a ladybug. And yellow is the color of a little chick. Or a dangerous leopard. A blue animal is there are blue butterflies.
Morphle like a butterfly.
Turtles are green. And frogs are green as well. A goldfish is orange. And a tiger has orange fur. And pink is the color of a flamingo. And of the axolotl. You are really good at painting, Morphle.
Ice cream!
Hello, everyone. Let's count from 1 to 10. Let's start with 1. There is only one Morphle. Now let's count different things. And what comes after 1?
2 cars.
1, 2. Aww.
Puppies.
And there are 3 puppies. 1, 2, 3. What's that? Look, Morphle.
Dinosaurs.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dinosaurs.
Police.
5 police vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was exciting.
Yeah.
Do you know anything that there are 6 of?
Yeah.
Monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monkeys.
Aeroplane.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 airplanes. Wow! And at the harbor, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boats. And 9 kids want ice cream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's where I come in. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ice cream cones.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
Today, Morphle and I are going to show you different kinds of shapes. There are different basic shapes. There are circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and ovals. Morphle, morph into a square. Do you know anything that has the shape of a square?
Present.
Yeah, that's a square. Now, morph into an oval. Do you know what object is shaped like an oval?
Submarine.
Good one. The body of the submarine is shaped like an oval. And do you know something that has the shape of a rectangle?
Rectangle.
shaped like a rectangle. Next up is the triangle. Morph into something that has the shape of a triangle.
Pyramid!
Wow! Yeah! A pyramid is shaped like a triangle. And the last one is the circle. A planet is the biggest circle there is. Morphle, morph into a real train. Let's go pick up Sarah in our train. Hi, Sarah. What you doing? Hi, Mila and Morphle. I was going to bring something very valuable to my uncle. That's cool! We could use Morphle the train to take you there. Yeah, that's a great idea. Hello, Mechanic Joe. What has happened?
I was just driving this truck when all of a sudden it stopped moving.
Morphle, morph into a bulldozer.
Wow! Even Morphle can't move the truck.
We glued it with the world's stickiest glue that we stole from Professor Rashid.
Oh, the mud! I mean, the wrecking bandits!
We are no longer the wrecking bandits. We are now the glue bandits. Now that we have the world's stickiest glue, we can glue the mud machine back together and use it as a glue machine to cover the whole city in glue. Not in my city. Stop it right there, bandits. Tumbling test tubes It seems that you have been glued stuck as well. This is an antidote. It stops the world's stickiest glue from working.
Yay!
There is more back in my laboratory, but I have no way to get it to everywhere in the city.
Oh, I know. Morphle can morph into a fire truck and spray the antidote on everything that's glued stuck.
It seems we're all set. Let's dissolve this sticky situation.
Look, over there. It's the Glue Bandits.
Oh, no! Ah, it seems that the glue machine is held together with the world's stickiest glue. It will fall apart if the antidote touches it. Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and Professor Rashid. Now, I'll take these bandits to the police station. Thank you.
You're being very thorough, Police Officer Freeze.
I have to be. 2 police commissioners will drop by to see if I'm doing a good job as a police officer. Everything has to be perfect.
Well, then we won't keep you. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Thanks, guys.
Why are you not wearing your official cleaning hat?
No cleaning hat.
Cleaning hat? Sorry. You must be the commissioners. Welcome.
A good police officer has to know all the laws.
Yes, I believe I do, sir.
We'll see about that.
Oh, a red light.
Why aren't you singing?
Singing?
A police officer at the red light should be singing.
Look at me, the happy policeman.
Too late.
Another law I didn't know.
No eating while on duty.
many tickets.
I'm afraid we're going to have to take you to jail.
Why would they arrest him? Morph into a race car.
Hey, Mila and Morphle.
What happened to you?
As it turns out, I don't know half the laws. I'm not fit to be a police officer.
That can't be right. We need to get to the bottom of this, Morphle.
No hats in the park!
Morph into a bush.
No picnics with a blanket, or near a tree, or with a basket. With Peter Freeze gone, we can do anything, Yorn.
Yeah, Stein.
Bandits! So, they made up all those strange laws. Two can play at that game.
Oops, sorry.
You will be sorry once I find, where is it? Let me see. Oh, no, not that one. Ah, here it is. When a person bumps into the police commissioners should keep walking. Okay. Come on, Yorn. They have to leave their bag of loot at the door of the police station and go inside. They now have to take off their fake mustaches and call out, "We're the bandits." Wait, this doesn't make any sense.
It does to me. You're under arrest.
Robo Freeze has 4 settings: off, lenient, strict, and very strict. You should never turn this dial to very strict.
Why not, Professor?
No problem. Let's see what Robo Freeze can do. You seem like good kids.
Now, let's see if he can stop crime.
With the bandits causing so much trouble, I could use some help with my police work.
Morphle, morph into a police car.
Perfect.
Be sure to leash your dog.
Oh, sorry, officer.
Have a good day, young lady.
Oh, well, thank you.
Be careful not to kick the ball into the flowers. Not in my city. You get a ticket.
What? But... Ah! Oh, my bone. Oh, no!
Something's wrong.
Robo Freeze must have been turned to very strict. Look.
You get ticket for walking on grass. I wasn't even walking on the grass. You were going to... What?
We have to turn the dial down. Yeah. Morphle.
Oh, no.
There it is. Try again, Morphle. Morphle, no catch.
Unacceptable!
This has to stop. But how?
I have an idea. We need Robo Freeze to come to us. Morph into a megaphone. I'm about to step on the grass.
Stop. You're getting a ticket.
Now, Morphle.
Phew! You did it, Mila and Morphle.
Ahem.
Oh, no. Maybe 2 Peter Freezes are too much.
Thank you so much for taking care of these scary animals while the zoo is under construction.
No problem at all, Kenneth. They're not so scary once you get to know them.
Morphle, morph into a truck. Morphle, open cage. Go ahead, Morphle.
See? They already feel at home.
Have they gone completely mad, Barky? You can't keep scary animals in a backyard. They're far too dangerous. I guess they're going to have to learn it the hard way.
What's going on here?
Why are you fighting?
All right, then. Hey, quit that!
Maybe it wasn't such a good idea to bring the animals here, Daddy.
Maybe you're right. If they behave bad again, we'll have to bring them back to Zookeeper Kenneth. Let's give them some food. Maybe they'll calm down.
What are you going to do, silly animals? No, no, help!
Barky. Wait for me, Barky! Yeah!
Oh no! We have to save him, Morphle. Morph into a helicopter. Okay, morph into a truck with a cage, Morphle. Animals, why do you keep doing bad things?
Because they're very bad animals. Victory is mine.
Hey, stop it! Have you been teasing them all this time?
So what? They're scary animals.